Today we're talking all about DIY projects for people getting into electronics. These are projects that will get them excited, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Exploring the world of DIY electronics, projects and tutorials for beginners. Understanding how electronics devices work can be an empowering and rewarding experience. DIY, do-it-yourself electronics, is a fascinating realm that allows individuals to delve into the intricacies of circuits, components, and programming. For beginners, this journey might seem daunting, but with the right guidance and projects, it becomes an exciting adventure. We'll explore the world of DIY electronics, highlighting projects and tutorials that are perfect for those just starting. Before diving into projects, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with basic electronic components and tools. Resistors, capacitors, LEDs, transistors, and breadboards are common elements used in most projects. Understanding how to use a multimeter and soldering iron is also essential. Online platforms like YouTube, Arduino forums, and dedicated DIY websites provide excellent tutorials for beginners. Project 1. LED blinking with Arduino. The Arduino platform is a fantastic entry point for DIY electronics enthusiasts. It's user-friendly, and the Arduino IDE integrated development environment simplifies programming. A simple project to start with is LED blinking. Connect an LED and your Arduino board and use a basic program to make it blink. This project introduces you to coding, basic circuit connections, and the fundamentals of microcontrollers. Light theremin. A theremin is a musical instrument controlled with physical contact. Building a light theremin using photoresistors and an Arduino is an engaging project for beginners. This project involves creating a musical instrument that changes pitch based on the amount of light falling from the photoresistor. It is an excellent way to combine coding, sensors, interfacing, and the joy of making music with your creation. DIY weather station. For those interested in combining electronics with real-world applications, building a DIY weather station is a great project. This project involves sensors like temperature and humidity sensors, and possibly a barometric pressure sensor. Connected to a microcontroller, Arduino, or Raspberry Pi, you can collect data, display it on an LCD, and even upload it to the cloud for further analysis. RGB LED mood lamp. Create a personalized RGB LED mood lamp using an Arduino and addressable LED strips. Create your personalized RGB LED mood lamp using an Arduino and accessible LED strips. This project allows you to experiment with color mixing, programming animations. It's a visually appealing project that brings a touch of creativity to your DIY electronics journey. DIY audio amplifier. Venture into the world of audio electronics by building a simple audio amplifier. This project involves constructing a basic amplifier circuit using operational amplifiers, op-amps. Understanding the principles of amplification, voltage gain, and feedback will be essential. You can connect your amplifier to speakers or headphones for an immersive audio experience. Embarking on the journey of DIY electronics can be both educational and enjoyable. These projects serve as stepping stones, gradually increasing in complexity and sophistication. As a beginner, take the time to understand the basics, experiment with simple circuits, and don't hesitate to ask for help from the vast online communities of electronics enthusiasts. The world of DIY electronics is limitless, and with each project, you'll gain valuable skills that can lead to more advanced creations in the future. So grab your soldering iron, load up your Arduino, and start exploring the exciting world of DIY electronics. I hope you enjoyed this video on DIY electronics. For more on technology, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.